Hi guys, we're here at Heathrow, London's primary airport, to capture some planes. Now, we're not quite as hardcore as these guys over here, but we've got some gear and we're going to give you some good shots. All we have here is a cheeky little plane, the B7-4. It's got a lot of personality among him. One of my personal favourites. Today the biggest airliner in the world is about to approach, so there's a lot of excitement among the guys, so we'll have to get a good shot of this. There, we got him! We got him! High five! I'm not doing it.